So friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do screen recording in your iPhone. So if you're a new iPhone user or if you're using iPhone from a long time, this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, screen recording in iPhone is actually very easy. We are not going to use any third-party application. We are going to use the default option which is already present in your iPhone. Also, there are two ways to do screen recording. One is with audio and another one is without audio. So let's start with without audio first. In order to start screen recording, simply go to Control Center. And if you don't find screen recording icon in Control Center and if you want to add it, simply tap and hold in Control Center like this and select Add a Control option. Search for screen recording. So this is the screen recording control module. Tap on it and it will be added to Control Center. As I said, I have already added it. Now to start screen recording, simply tap on it. It will take 3 seconds to start recording, and once the recording is started, you will be able to see this red color dot over here at the top, which means the recording is on. Now let's open settings for now, then reminder, and then clock application. If you want to stop recording, tap and hold on dynamic island and you will get stop option over here, or else go to Control Center and again tap on the screen recording icon and the recording will be stopped and it will be saved to photos. So in order to check out screen recording, go to photos and this is the screen recording which is saved. Now even if I unmute it, there won't be any audio because this screen recording was without audio. So now it will open settings, reminders, and then clock application. So this was the recording which we have done. Now this was without audio. If you want to do screen recording with audio, then in that case, again go to Control Center. Now this time tap and hold on screen recording icon and you will get a microphone option over here. If you want to record audio, then you have to turn it on. So simply tap on it and the microphone is now on. Now again to start the recording, tap like this on the icon. And currently you can see the recording is on, and if it is recording audio, it will show you orange color dot like this. Now this time let's open App Store for now, then swipe like this, right? So this is the screen recording we have done. If you want to stop it, go to dynamic island, tap and hold it and stop the recording. Again it will be saved to photos. So this screen recording was with audio. If you want to check out, just go like this. If I unmute it, is recording audio, it will show you orange color dot like this. Now this time let's open App Store for now. So you can see it has recorded audio with the screen recording. So this is how simple it is to do screen recording in iPhone, and if you want to do it with audio or without audio, then you know how to do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.